Mambo vipi? I believe wherever you are watching me from, you are perfectly okay. How do you make her reach cloud 9? Have you ever asked yourself, have you ever wondered, you as a woman, how can he make you reach cloud 9? As a man, have you ever asked yourself, how can you make her reach cloud 9? When it comes to physical intimacy, every person is very unique, and what feels pleasurable can vary greatly from one individual to another. The most important thing is to prioritize communication, consent, and mutual comfort. As I usually tell you, we continue. Here are some general suggestions for areas that may or many people find sensitive and pleasurable, but always pay attention to her responses and ask for feedback. Number 1, sensitive areas to explore: neck and ears. Gentle kiss, nibble, or whisper near her neck and ears. Many people find this area highly sensitive and arousing. Inner thighs. Number 2, light touches or kisses along the inner thighs can build anticipation and excitement. Number 3, lower back massaging or lightly tracing the lower back can be relaxing and sensual. Breasts and nipples. This is my favorite part. Pay attention to her breasts and nipples, but be gentle and responsive to her reactions. Some people enjoy light touches, kisses, or caresses here. Number 5, clitoris. For many, the clitoris is an extremely sensitive and pleasurable area. Use gentle rhythmic motion and pay attention to her feedback. G-spot. Number 6, located inside the vagina. About 2 to 3 inches up on the front wall, the G-spot can be stimulated with calm hither motion. Calm hither motion ni unaingiza kuni ama unaingiza kidole, unasugua juu pale chini ya abdomen, huku unafanya ni kama unataka kuchomoa. Ukigusa clitoris unarudi tena ndani, na una make sure una insist kwa hiyo place ukiapply pressure. Not everyone enjoys this, so communicate and go slowly. Number 7, lips and mouth. Kissing deeply and passionately can be incredibly intimate and arousing. Number 8, scalp and hair. Ushaisikia dema nakwambia niguse nywele, cheza na nywele yangu, huwa inamturn on. Kwanza wakati unamudinya na unacheza na kichwa chake, utacheki dema na mwaga. Kwanza unamudinya, unamunyonya mdomo, unacheza na nipples zake, unacheza na nywele. Dema atalia. Scalp and hair. Gentle running your fingers through her hair or massaging her scalp can be soothing and sensual. Number 9, wrists and hands. Lightly kissing or touching her wrists and hands can feel tender and romantic. Number 10, feet. Kuna mademu ukiwashika vidole vya mguu, utasikia tu, oh my gosh baby, please don't stop, I feel good. Some people find foot massaging or light touches on the feet to be surprisingly pleasurable. ama ni pleasurable? Key tips, as I usually tell you: communicate. Ask her what she likes and dislike. Encourage her to guide you. Pay attention to her reaction. Her body language, breathing, and sounds can give you clues about what feels good. Now, there is a man who confuse when a woman is enjoying, she's producing a sound like she's crying, she's mourning. And when a woman is truly hurting, some men might confuse hurting to pleasure and pleasure to hurting. I don't know if I'm communicating. Kindly try and note the difference and communicate to your partner. Take your time, build anticipation, and don't rush. Intimacy is about connection, not just physical pleasure. I repeat, intimacy is about connection and not just physical pleasure. Respect boundaries. Always ensure she is comfortable and enthusiastic. Is it enthusiastic? That one. About what you are doing. Consent is essential. Remember, the goal is to create a safe, loving, and enjoyable experience for both of you. Open communication and mutual respect are the foundation of fulfilling intimate connection. Sijui kama umeweza kuunderstand. Tunapiga hii kitu kuni mpaka inatoa moshi. Kwani iko nini?